This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the keyboard and the FN lock because FN behavior differs by model. Once done, check Fortnite input bindings so you know what's expected. Open the on-screen keyboard or use Windows keyboard settings to see if the FN press generates any signal. This isolates game versus system issues. Then, toggle the FN lock or function key mode on the keyboard itself to test immediate change. These first steps save time because they separate hardware, OS, and game layers before deeper fixes. Once you know the problem isn't purely hardware, remap the Fortnite action to another key to confirm functionality. This proves the game accepts the command. If FN won't map directly, install a lightweight remapping tool like Auto Hotkey and script a reliable toggle. Auto Hotkey can send the desired keystroke when you press FN combinations. Make sure to update or reinstall keyboard drivers and inspect BIOS/UEFI function key behavior, because some laptops swap FN roles at firmware level and require toggling there. After applying mappings and firmware changes, save your in-game settings and restart the machine so drivers and tools load cleanly. Then test in a private match to validate performance under real conditions. If the FN key still misbehaves, attach a different keyboard or use another USB port to rule out a physical fault. As a final troubleshooting tip, back up and reset Fortnite input configs to default and reapply your bindings. If problems persist, replace the keyboard or contact manufacturer support for hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.